Let's crank up the burn as we tone and tighten our abs, arms, legs, and more, all while using a chair for support. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this abtastic routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left, keeping the weight even in your hips, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center, moving into a knee raise march variation. Begin to alternate reaching your arms overhead and lowering your arms, pressing back as you lift through one leg. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, squeezing and contracting through your arms and legs as you lift and press back, strengthening and toning through your arms, hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly, moving through your own range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Adding on, inhale, lift through your heart, drawing your elbows in towards your sides. Exhale, round your spine, reaching your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Moving into a side leg lift variation. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting each leg up, out to the side, and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, and for more ease, return to the alternate leg lift variation. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Moving into one more lateral stretch variation. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.